everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem count leaves in binary tree. So basically in this question first we would understand what is a binary tree leaf and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically let's make a binary tree first. Let's say we have like 3, 2, 1 and over here it is 5. Okay, and then we can say we have let's say we have 6. Okay, now this is a binary tree. Okay, now in the binary tree, see, by leaf node I mean the ending values. Okay, so that means see 1 is the last node at left side and 6 is the last node at right side, right? So my output would be 2. So basically it is the count of the leaf nodes. So I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic. Okay, then find the problem count leaves in binary tree. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay, 1 minute. Now I hope this is clear. Now let's solve the question. Okay, so here is the question, guys. Let's read it. Given a binary tree of size n, you have to count leaves in it. For example, there are 2 leaves in the following tree. Now let's see how there are 2 leaves. See, first leaf and second leaf. You can just see like this. This is the first leaf and this is the second leaf. So I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the code part which we have to do over here. Okay, so let's do it. First thing is we need to check if there is a root node or not, right? So if root is none, okay, that means there is no root node, then return because there is nothing for you, right? So return 0, enter. If root dot left is equal to none and okay, and root dot right equal to none, that means basically there is only root node. Okay, there is no leaf node on the left side or right side. Okay, there is only one value, that is the root node. Okay, in this situation you need to return with the value 1. Okay, enter, backspace. This should be elif. 1 minute. Elif. Over here it would be else. Okay, else if we have leaf nodes, okay, proper leaf nodes, then return with what? Count leaves. Okay, we need to count the leaves. Okay, leaves of what? Leaves of root dot left plus, okay, plus count leaves of what? You need to count the leaves. 1 minute, else should be capital here. You need to count the leaves of root dot right. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now I would click on compile and run to check if it is correct or not. Let's wait. Compilation is completed. Basically my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay. The problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem count leaves in binary tree. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like this video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.